Woman wishes a warrior only set himself up for total destruction.
A panel that would turn on must first taste of fire.
Then
where did I go wrong? I'm tired. No, not again.
Shola, I have to come back. There's nothing I have not done. Yet, there's nothing to show for it. I don't know what else to do. I don't know. But see, I trust God. Everything is going to be alright, okay?
Why cannot tell me everything will be alright? No, take a good look at yourself. This is how people return from abroad. After 15 years! After 15 years! He came back with the true slippers and nothing. Everything will be alright.
Shola, you just have to
Don't tell me to calm down.
God's timing is still the best. Let's just trust God.
What have we done to deserve all this? After 8 years of being jobless, I finally got a job. Not even up to 2 months. I have just been fired. Michael, take a good look at your sister. Am I not beautiful enough?
Who am I seeing? Michael? Sam, when did you return? I just came in. Wow, see you. Good to see you, Michael. Wow. Oh, wait. Hope you came with a lot of goodies. Goodies. Have a seat first. Have a seat. Oh, wonderful. Good to see you. Oh, Sam. Awesome.
It is well.
Wait, Shola. You are supposed to be happy that your brother just returned from the US. Why is your countenance like this?
To be deceived by all these things you're saying. It is called packaging. Is this how people return from abroad? Is this how people return from abroad? With big true slippers and nothing for themselves.
People dream about all this. What have we not done? We have prayed, we fasted, and we go to church as usual. That is the problem. You can't be doing the usual and expect not to be useless.
Brother Sam.
I'm sorry. I mean no disrespect. There's an adage that says, if a woman still run with her hand on the breast, that means she's really not in danger. What else can we do? Now? See, if you have been following Wonders Without Number, when people's life has been set on fire spiritually, and a lot of persons are liberated from any form of bondage, I believe you won't be here by now. Wait a minute. I've heard a lot about that program, Wonders Without Number, by Apostle John C. Suleiman. You can watch it on Celebration TV or through any social media platform of Apostle John C. Suleiman or Celebration TV. It's just 1 hour prayer.